Best gold investment. When you're trying to figure out which gold investment is right for you, there are several things to consider. For starters, you need to know that a lot of ETFs and mutual funds deal with gold and other commodities. This means that you may need to learn more about these markets in order to decide which one to invest in. But if you're a little more risk-averse, you can purchase the stock of a gold mining company instead. While you won't be able to touch the metal, you will be able to sell it whenever you wish. When investing in gold, you'll need to consider your risk tolerance and your current financial situation, and also consider what you'll need to get out of it in the future. While you should always be aware that the price of gold is not going to appreciate like stocks and bonds, it can still offer a great deal of potential. It is also a liquid, tangible asset that has historically outperformed the value of money. You can be certain that you'll never lose money by investing in gold. Another common form of gold investment is gold jewelry. Since gold is very easy to acquire, gold jewelry is often considered a gold investment. But you should remember that the resale value of this type of investment is a bit questionable. You'll likely have a hard time selling it at a profit. This is why it's important to choose a solid gold investment that you can keep for years. It's also important to remember that you can always sell your jewelry for a profit. Whether you're looking to protect your portfolio from inflation or diversify your investments, buying gold is a smart move. While it is important to remember that any investment involves a certain degree of risk, it offers the benefit of stability. Although you'll never own physical gold, you'll still be able to benefit from its value. It's also relatively easy to buy and sell a gold bar. You should also consider the risks involved before making the final decision. Many financial advisors recommend investing in gold. Not only is it an ideal asset for people with lower risk tolerances, but it has also been a popular choice for investors who are looking for a way to diversify their portfolios without compromising the safety of their savings. Despite the fact that the price of gold is not as predictable as that of other assets, gold is still the best option for many people. This is a safe and reliable asset that should be purchased and sold if you're worried about market volatility. It's a good idea to invest at least 10% of your savings in gold. Unlike stocks and bonds, it won't appreciate over time. If you're thinking about investing in gold, you'll need to think carefully about what the best kind of investment is. And then, once you're certain what you want, it will be easier to make the right decision. Visit CarenGoldman.com to learn more.